Welcome to my channel, and here we are going to be looking at how we can construct an involute of a pentagon. That is a 5-sided polygon. We are going to make an involute of a pentagon, and we are making use of this AutoCAD software. And what we are to do first is to draw a pentagon, as I said. So let's start. So the length of side of the pentagon is 20 millimeters, and we are going to start this way. So we first of all need to activate the auto mode. So I've activated it. Then we come to line. Then we draw a line, and we are going to enter 20. Then press enter key on the keyboard. Then we are going to deactivate the auto mode because we want to draw this side now. Okay, so the side that we are going to draw also has a length of 20. This is a regular pentagon. So the next thing that we are going to do, so we are going to enter 20 for the length. Okay, then you press a tab key, and for us to enter the angle at which this line will be to the horizontal, and that angle is 72 degrees because the studio angle of a pentagon is 72 degrees. So we press enter key. So then we move to this side, and then, so the length is also 20, and also we press the tab key on the keyboard, and then we enter 142 degrees. So that is the angle for that side. So press enter key. Then we come to this side, then also enter the length 20, then press a tab key on the keyboard. Then the angle is 142, so press enter. So then the next one is for this point. So all we need to do for this point is to press a C key on the keyboard and press enter. So that is it. We have completed the pentagon as you see here. So the next thing that we are going to do is to do some so for some extension of the sides, and we start like this. So first of all, so we need to put on the auto mode to extend this horizontal line. So we extend this horizontal line, and this length is going to be equal to, the length of this line is going to be equal to the perimeter of the pentagon, which is going to be 100 millimeters, because if we sum 520s together, and that will give us 100. So we enter a length of 100, and then we press enter key on the keyboard. So let's deactivate, let's deselect it. Okay, just right click and select deselect. So the next thing that we are going to do here is to extend this, but I need to deactivate the auto mode. So we come to this side, then we extend this to this side. Okay, so the length is going to be 20. So enter 20. So enter. Then deselect it. So then for this side also, we extend to this side. Okay, so the length here will be 40, the extension will be 40. So enter. So then we deselect it. Then next one is this. So we extend this to this side, and the length will be 60. So this is 60. So we deselect it. Then for this, so it goes this way. Okay, so the length will be 80. So enter. So then we deselect it. So next thing that we are going to do is to number the point. So I'm going to number the point. So we come to text, and we are going to choose single line text. So we come to on this point, just click on this point, then enter the height of the letters. So that is 2. So enter. Then angle of rotation or rotation angle, that is 0. So enter. All right, so then I will come to this point here. So this is point 1. Then I will come to this point. So this point will be point P1. Then we come to this point here. So this is 0.2, and this point here, so the point P2, then we come to this point. So this point is 3, then this point here will be P3, then this point is 4, then this point is P4, P4. Then we come to this point. So this point is 0.5, and here we have this to be P5. So this is P5, and then we right click. So that's it. So we have number each of the points, and then we also number the points there. So the next thing that we are going to do now is that, so we are going to be, we come here, and we are going to choose this particular type of axe, so which is center, start, and end. So just select it, and then so we come to this point here, and then so from this point, so that's not going to work. So we go back and select it again. So then we come to this point. So extend it to this point P1, and then you join it to 0.5 on the pentagon. So then, so we also come again. So I like to be selecting it one by one. So this is 0.2. Then, so from this point to this point, so we have it there. So then, so we also go back to the arc. So you select it. So 0.3, then, so P3, then to P2. Then again, so we come to this point. So we select center, start, and end. So 0.4 to P4. Then we take it to P3. Then also go back here. So we select center, start, and end. So 0.5. Then P5 to P4. All right, so we have this now. So there's something I need to check here, because I want this involute curve to be just 1, but I noticed that there may be a little error at this point. Okay, I think there's nothing happening there. So I'm going to join these arcs together so that it will just form one arc. So let me check this point, and I can see that there's an error here. So I just need to join them together. Okay, so that's okay. All right, so I just need to deselect this. Then I'm going to select each of the arcs. Okay, so select them one by one. So, and then I will just type join to enter. So this has become one, as you can see. So they are all highlighted at once. So I'm going to deselect. Then I'm going to select this again. So I'm going to make this a little bit thick. Then I will change the color to my preferred color. This is my preferred color. So then, so this is how to use this AutoCAD software to draw an involute of the pentagon. It's as simple as I've done it here. All you have to do is to practice it, become a master at it. Thank you. Keep on practicing, and God bless you.